Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Ford Mustang? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sports car electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box, officially designated as the power distribution box, serves as the primary electrical interface for the 2026 Ford Mustang's heavy-duty powertrain and exterior systems. Located within the engine bay, this centralized module is engineered to manage the high amperage power distribution required for performance-oriented components, separating these critical circuits from the sensitive electronics found in the interior passenger compartment. The unit is encased in a high-density, heat-resistant composite housing designed to endure the significant thermal fluctuations generated by the vehicle's high-output engine options. It features a precision-molded, removable cover equipped with an integrated weather seal gasket to protect the internal electrical contacts from engine heat, road debris, and moisture intrusion. The cover also typically contains a dedicated fuse puller tool and a stamped schematic guide for field identification of circuits. Internally, the power distribution box is structured as a bused electrical array, utilizing heavy-gauge copper bus bars to receive direct power from the battery and alternator. It is populated with a combination of high-current cartridge fuses, such as J-case and M-case types, and high-capacity plug-in relays. These components act as the final defensive layer for major mechanical systems, including the powertrain control module, electronic power-assisted steering motors, engine cooling fans, fuel pump modules, and active valve performance exhaust solenoids. In the event of an electrical short or thermal overload, these high-amperage fuses are designed to fail instantly, effectively isolating the fault to prevent catastrophic damage to the vehicle's primary wiring harnesses and electronic control modules. Body control module fuse box. The body control module fuse box of the 2026 Ford Mustang functions as the low-voltage electrical headquarters for the vehicle's cabin, comfort, and chassis management systems. It is situated inside the passenger compartment, typically mounted in the front passenger side footwell area behind a snap-fit plastic trim panel. This unit is designed to isolate the high-demand power needs of the engine bay from the delicate, low-voltage electronic signals required to operate the vehicle's interior features and driver assistance interfaces. The assembly is constructed from flame-retardant, high-impact thermoplastic, housing a dense arrangement of mini fuses and micro fuses, specifically rated for low amperage applications. It protects and manages power delivery to the instrument cluster, the infotainment system, interior lighting arrays, power seat motors, window regulators, and wireless connectivity modules. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.